Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. If this is your first time stopping by, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you hit subscribe, be sure to hit the bell and you'll be alerted to every and all new videos that I upload. Alright, so here it is, roughly the middle of the week. I'm kind of feeling bad that I didn't put up a video for you guys, like a week ago. And so I gave you one on Sunday, and I decided to do a midweek video. A while back, me and my buddy Barry were building some guitars, probably, a year and a half, 2 years ago, just doing like 3-stringed instruments and things. And I thought his was pretty cool, so I decided to throw together some pictures, and I'll give you guys some commentary on that. Hope you guys will stick around. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so as you can see down below, just getting into this build, it's pretty basic, pretty straightforward. Pretty much all the components that we use, we ordered right off Amazon. I'm not like some guitar expert, so I'm probably not going to know the name of parts, but we ordered up an ammo can, we ordered up a drain cover thing, we ordered up some strings. It was actually a 3-string kit, so you get all 3 strings right in the kit, so we just ordered that. We also ordered up all the other little guitar components, the knobs and the piece that the wires all string through and all that stuff. Everything you guys are watching below, we got off Amazon. So you guys will be able to find links to all those parts below if you want to build this guitar. I'm going to try to put everything there. The only thing you might have to supply yourself with is the neck. Now we cut that neck out of a 3/4 inch thick. I think it was about 1 3/4 inch wide by maybe 28 inch long piece of oak. So I'll see if I can find something like that to leave you guys a link to. If not, you'll just have to use something piece of oak to cut the neck out of. We were up till maybe 1 in the morning working on this. Just sometimes we're in the shop late building stuff, and this just happened to be one of those late night projects. It was pretty fun. Maybe this video will inspire you to build one of these. If so, comment below. Let me know how it turns out. That's pretty much it. Just a quick video with a few pictures, some commentary. Like I said, just wanted to give you a short, quick midweek video. If you guys decide to do this build, comment below. Let me know how it turns out. If you know how to play this thing, that's even better. Please let me know how, because I'm awful at it. As you can see in that last picture, Barry really enjoys his guitar. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.